So once we're finished with that, let's go ahead and go to our front view. And we need to get the other side, so we're going to do all that work over again. Well, actually we don't have to do that. We're going to go ahead and go in and let's just symmetry that one side. Okay, so let's just delete those vertices. And let's make max work for us. So we'll select this edge right along the middle, and we'll use our symmetry modifier. Just simply hit flip, and now you've got both sides there, and both horns are done. Okay, so work with that a little bit more if you need to. If you want to kind of push and pull some vertices around, you can do so, just to kind of get the shape that you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and convert this over to an editable poly, so that way the stack has been collapsed there. And we can push and pull some of these verts around, get a better shape that we want. One thing that you should do is that segment that we created across the center, we want to make sure that we pull those sides in some, because we want that segment to work for us, not against us. Okay, seeing how we've added that resolution in there, we need to make sure that it's actually doing something, actually adding shape to the belt. Okay, all right, so there's the belt. We've got the ornate piece on there. We've got the skull that we're going to texture, and we have the horns on there that are adding to the silhouette. So let's just simply unhide all, so we have our body in there. We can kind of see how this is looking. So I'm pretty happy with that shape, looking pretty good. Now let's go ahead and get into creating the boots, which we'll do in our next lesson. In this lesson, we're going to create the boots to our low polygon game character. Okay, so let's take a look at our reference really quickly before we start this part of the model. So we want to keep things as low as poly as possible, and we want to take a look at what we can fake out with textures and what we can't. So by taking a look at this, we see the cloth on these boots, and they really do hug most of the leg. Now you might get a few wrinkles here and there,